On April 20th, 2010, in the Gulf of Mexico near the Mississippi River Delta, a massive ongoing oil spill is in the Gulf of Mexico, and it's one of the largest oil spills that has happened in U.S. history. The spill stems from the sea floor from an oil gusher that's resulted from the April 20th, 2010 Deepwater Horizon drilling explosion. This explosion killed 11 platform workers and injured 17 others. This gusher that's underneath the water is to be flowing at least 35 to 60,000 barrels of crude oil per day into our water. The exact flow rate, though, is uncertain due to the fact that installing measurement devices in that type of depth of water is a little difficult, so they're still doing an ongoing debate on how much crude oil is being pumped into the Gulf. NASA uses their satellites to look at the Gulf from above, and you can see the oil slick sitting there on top of the Gulf's surface. This resulting oil slick covers at least 2,500 square miles. And sometimes that fluctuates, maybe a little bigger, maybe a little bit smaller, depending on the weather conditions. Let's take a look at some of those oil spill pictures. Experts fear that the spill will result in an environmental disaster with extensive impact that is already apparent on marine life and wildlife. Let's look at some of the pictures of these poor animals. The U.S. government has named BP as the responsible party for this disaster, and officials have committed to hold the company accountable for all the cleanup costs and other damages that have occurred. But we need to help out and do our part. Here's what we can do to help out the animals that have lost their habitats.